Hey guys, it's Matthew. I just wanted to show you a quick little tip on training orchid spikes. So here I have the main spike, primary spike that comes off, and then I have a secondary spike coming off of the primary spike. Now it is growing right into one of the flowers that just recently opened, and what I want to do is spread these apart so that it's not touching the flower. So this is a technique that carries over from my days working at an apple orchard, where we would use what we'd call spreaders, pieces of woods that we would cut notches in the ends and use to spread the apple tree branches apart. So it's the same concept. So I've made a little spreader out of a piece of soft wire, and sorry, I don't know what kind of wire this is. You can see it bends pretty easily. And I just took a pair of pliers, made some loops in the ends, and those will now fit right in here and allow me to spread the spikes apart. And then after they stiffen, they'll stay, and you can remove the piece of wire. And I think that'll probably be sufficient. Now you want to be careful. Right now this secondary spike is still soft enough that you can spread it apart, but once it stiffens, you wouldn't want to try that. But right now it's still very flexible and is easily spread apart.